All of my friends call me BNS. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too. See, but I've got my mind on this. Yeah. Give me something make I hold on to. Yeah. I'm
excited to be here. Yeah, baby, I'm go. Charlie. That's a baby, Snow. I want to mommy Anna. Hey, boy, you should share to mama. You should share to mama. Caprio, and this way, Jimmy, I did me phone you. Hi. Hi. Can I get some of this? I'm called Fabi. I'm from US.
US?
Yeah, can I get
America?
Yeah, America.
American baby?
Yeah.
Oh, so you like my cocoyam?
Is it a cocoyam?
Kube.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah, me pay back home. Me pay the insane here there.
Wakachi!
Where is it?
Wakachi!
What's funny here?
You are talking my hometown language.
You made
My hometown language.
Okay, can I get one?
You want how many?
Only one.
Only one?
Yeah, me pay the insane here there.
Oh, sorry. One is $50.
How much are
one is for $50.
What do you mean?
$50.
What you say?
It's like
what you mean.
I don't want to emphasize you.
Emphasize me like her.
Oh, you know when
here?
Oh, it's not. 100 Ghana.
Diverse it in dollars. How much is it in
I should.
dollars?
How
much?
$100.
$100.
Yes.
Okay.
$100.
Open it.
Open.
And give me a straw. Yeah.
Cause open there. What
do you mean by what you're saying? Jesus. Look at what you did.
I was trying to taste.
Taste what?
Your verbatim.
What's verbatim?
Nsuo.
You're really funny.
You too.
At first I thought you said coconut. Now it's a vanilla milk.
It's a coconut.
Can I get a straw?
Pardon?
Straw.
Huh?
Straw.
Drobeng. Hey. Say what buy. What per drobeng, you know.
For real?
Tear your own.
Okay.
What?
You're such a nice person.
Oh.
Oh,
I'm not canning no Kube.
oh, it's sweet. Yeah. Oh, what?
I want to
Don't
taste
do
it.
that.
I'm tasting it. It's not poison. Take. It's not poison.
I'm from the village.
No, in Africa.
So why are you doing this?
No, in Africa, we have to taste before.
Yeah, in our way. Stupid! Spitting it on me. What's the meaning of this?
Stupid. Who did my time? Stupid.
Like how? I didn't get you.
Get you. No. I'm to come and get you.
How much? How much this head is it?
It's $100.
$100.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sweet cocoyam.
The water is
Sweet.
9. It's 9.
Mr. Dada, me do good. Me didn't change any way. You know, want to come up. I should have do it. Sweet cocoyam. Sweet cocoyam.
How are you?
Hello, good afternoon. Want to say?
How much is it?
How many? Oh, cocoyam.
What do you mean by cocoyam?
You want this or you want this?
Really a cocoyam? Cocoyam.
I'm selling Kube. I said, which one you are liking?
No,
this one.
can you add
Any
the
of
extra
them?
one?
We have 100 CDs and 50 CDs.
100 cedis.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Where do you go?
Okay. Yeah.
Are you from America?
Yeah.
You from America?
Yeah.
Hey! Today, where did I sleeping? Where did I sleeping? And American people are coming on to me.
What's the essence of what
it's
you're doing?
$100.
Okay.
I mean, it's $100 in your
Hey, please take
in your
it
language.
easy.
Sorry, in your language, it's $100.
Okay.
I'm a language. What do you mean my language?
I said in your place.
Can you add me extra one?
Pardon?
Pardon? What do you mean by pardon? I said, will you add me extra one? I'm
Yeah.
buying another one.
I mean, woman lose concentration. So, maybe one after the other. Say, can't tell me about one. 100 sitting in the I thought you
What is what you
Drop bang.
what
It's
is
straw,
the meaning
straw,
of what you said? Yes,
straw.
I know it's true.
Tiano. Tear the mouth. Tiano.
Okay.
Tiano.
That is what said. Yeah, okay.
Now for womb.
What is
For womb. Chuff.
just
Chuff. And take
Okay.
it. You okay?
Get me another one.
Should I blaking?
I don't want it to break it. Look,
So
wait.
you ladies are here. I've been looking everywhere for you girls. Yeah.
You also like
Savage.
cocoyam?
Yeah, babe.
So you came here, you didn't even cook, told me.
Do you want cocoyam?
Yeah, I want one coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah.
Wow!
One
Oh,
coconut.
so
I hope it's sweet.
are you
Is it nice?
are you
It's very nice.
are you
Nice
coming
as well.
of them
Yeah, they are my sisters.
sisters?
Yeah.
So you also you're
Yeah.
from America?
Yeah, I'm from Ohio.
Hey!
what's wrong with
Ohio!
No, I don't know why
Ohio!
telling them.
You say you're from Ohio?
Yeah.
Hey,
Ohio.
I said I'm from Ohio.
I'm coming to say Ohio.
but in America
thought
we're
it-
from New York.
New York. Yeah.
New York.
New York City.
Yeah, New York.
Yoku nukoshia yoku ana.
What does it mean?
Please, can you get me one, please?
What I have
Jesus Christ.
uh,
Stop putting your fingers on it.
and 100 CDs. Which one do you like? 50
Give me
CDs.
one is $100. How much is $100? $100.
$100? Wow! Oh my goodness! I'll give you the the one you are going to like.
He's behaving strange. Told you. Ain't you tired of talking?
Africa, we talk to promote our business.
That's good.
If you don't talk, nobody is going to buy your thing. So
So
sometimes
please be fast.
you black, you talk, and then the person buy you. The person buy of you.
My friend, I don't have money, so I gotta go.
And I'm going to
Big sis, let me have a text of yours.
Pardon,
Hi.
who are you?
She's my sister.
I know that in Africa, you want to poison him.
Poison her. She's my
In
blood
Africa,
sister.
we don't do that.
Let her taste it.
Let me take the head.
Bro! It's
nice.
so embarrassing.
It's very nice. You two, you didn't make me take your head.
Yours is nice.
Yours is
It's
nicer.
nice.
Very nice.
All the Americaners has confirmed and detected
You are
that
making
my
noise.
cocoyam is very sweet.
Anyway, please, you know something?
I don't know anything.
I'm supposed to meet somebody down the street here.
Because you're supposed to meet them.
Bacho, pardon. Hello.
Sorry.
Pardon me.
What is it?
It's $300.
I'll pay. I'm gonna pay it.
She's gonna
Pay
I'm gonna pay you. You're my sister.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, it's $300.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Sweet cocoyam. America ni no kesu basa se. America ni no. Do you like body?
Well, what's body?
Plantain
I don't know how to eat.
Sweet plantain.
I'm going now. If I go to the house, bring you my money. I didn't came out with my purse.
You can't do this in
Oh,
Africa.
I'm around here.
Huh?
Don't take it.
You can't do
personal.
this in Africa.
What do you mean by that?
Master Minister for Jimmy.
Hey, who are you? Who treat you?
Mr. Street.
Say what Family come on, me jade wa chacha no why? Hey boss, sorry o.
I didn't know so.
Boss, where sister? Wanum kube nko $300. Hey, sorry. Wanum kube 3. On pass also on first come me o say o feel America dey nti wo kwa first dollars ableme.
Girl be ni from America.
E no ko no. Ye wi. O why?
Bra. Hey. It will makofo afreokrase aba estate ya dada ntu nim ne ekoso ha.
Sese dey na ekoso boss.
Ha?
Boss ada.
Sa girls no mo tie area so no mo ye keshefu o. Omo bomba ye omo hu so omo ye omo from America ne ho ahwan be ka brofo ni omo ni ka pre.
Nti na say
omo ba twiwadi.
Wo twem ye di no.
Ka ho kone kwati mi sika bre.
Wo twem wo twem ye di say.
Kwati mi sika ne bre me.
Madam. Hey. Why? Hey, I'll tell you now. Hey. You Why? Ade.
Minisika.
Etu, say what teach you ampa, mommy. Uni sika na belum kube nko $300.
But you me kwana.
Say wono omo na no ye. Ana uji tum say ampe.
You can say kesa no kibe choka nya $100.
Na say.
Kube nya 5 cedi.
Na kube 5 so from 15 mami.
Ba minisika.
From 15 mami what? Ni jade o cheshe.
Eh.
Ade. From 15 mami ni jade o cheshe.
From sika mami.
Ye dan ye ka yes.
Ade dey ka. Sam subana mo dey tie estate ya na yesi minim won. From sika mami.
Boss. Me boss ankasa.
Fasika ne mami.
Boss na me busu asem.
Me ba. Fasika ne mami. Onya yarefo. Onya yarefo. Onya yarefo.
Na wo tie we bo dada wonim sa baba wo yarefo.
Me yarefo.
Me se onya yarefo.
E di asem na asi. E di asem na asi. Wo yarefo. E di asem. Me pacho wo ba ye wo ba me ho. In the first kalabule di kan wo ba wo se won twiti. Wo se won twiti. Wo ba ya me ni guso aye kasa. Ene pardon wo so ofra America. Wo so tie. Ave wo so timantem a wo so ofra America. Eno your offense number 1. Wo so ofra America. Ene ya brofo akase a wadi matem wo ho nyina ma kasa. Ave die blai sister ya ji kube makoma yensa. Afla hoho kora mo ma baba ji bia no awie no mfa sika mame a o ka kire me se o kofia ko fa sika aba o kofia ko fa sika aba o tu ni na ba ko a wode ba ko ne kan ho a o te se me ba no udi we idwane na ba de adwane me abla udi we idwane we yalefo
mama me share with them inchiro ye ba ha utwa me njo say ba ko $100. How can you sell a coconut for $100?
Every blaze o ana wonim se blaze blaze no muna munim no miminim sika watmante ma wa yarefo ma na o de ko mechi aka
me be si won yarefo
ko mechi aka yarefo ko mechi aka kube ne yesen ha kube ne bo yesen ba ko yesen na me
wo de kube ni ti say
o de ti say
10 cedis me fa choba ku 8 cedis why
na na mun aba ne dollars asem hide dollars wa be so no buy what the dollars is kasa ne buy that is how now you cromfo now what now ni parent the dollars kasa ba wo me
hine usu betua musa questions tua ne yen
kube 33 no all the $100 33 we be free blaze kube ha yenti ase na mpanifo bi ko blaze buy o so makodum kube $100 som juice ka na ko me ba ko 3 na me ba suani suama de be ye wa yo masa me nyi sika ko se wa pam na man ko na ko juice kai me kwa sika me be wa ha
wa ba ejina mu wa ejina mu mi kan bla de
ba ko 3 cedi je
ba ko 8 cedi wa je ejina ma tia
ma be to kube
wa je ejina ko ana ko ko friend gen bra no mi tia
ko friend na se yan ko friend na yan ko ba bia wa so mun be de manante wa so mun be de manante ka tu aba ku sika nansa je ba kusika yanko ne minimni fie yanko ne yanko je minimni fie je kan ma yanko je mema je agina mu Yanko ye pon adwuma ne ye no ko ne akodan.
Abrantie.
Wo ko na ye ho akopai kube.
Wo ko ye promfo me atew. Kube na de gym Dallas me atew. Wo ye promfo. Wo ye promfo me atew. What does na make that wrong?
I want to win and never lose. You hear the sound we I produce.
Brother boy yama me na yaji. Tit kama nanti sa. Eh. Na nyo mo so sa no mo tie. Eh. Nse mo hunu be no no. Mo kende nke ka de. Ke okumi kwa ho. Sa na ye hwehwe ho. Bisen kan kwase na nse bia me nanti kama nanti sa nanti na so kwa we ni tua da. Kende de nka me cut off. Ka 1 week straight. Adia. Janse mo hunu na me ba fie ho abetum. Mo ha se mo ho achi bi na e wodan ho no. Nko hwehwe adwuma ma na me ba ho. So what you say? I will need to allow you. Nam kwa mo say, I say kokota kono. E honi de ma abena enhihye nanti eni yo. Okodin se mu na me ba me ye ya wa o. So I will need to. Aba ni nam kwa so. Ala vem.
Start this thing, no be today. No, they take your reggae, come spoil my blues. Day your day, make a day, my day. I don't need for that, cause I'm getting with seven losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this.
Wale, I know they bother, cause I'm getting with such losses. Tell me who the fuck's gonna stop.